You know, folks often wonder what the dirtiest, toughest job is on a ship, right? Well, what I'm doing right now is probably the dirtiest, toughest gig you'll find on board. And let me tell you, you might not even believe it till you've been there yourself. I mean, sure, it might look easy, just holding a water gun, but trust me, it ain't as simple as it seems. Either you can't get everything cleaned up right, or you're totally wiped out by the end. This, my friend, is what we sailors call the real grunt work. Basically, it's all about scrubbing down the cargo hold, getting rid of all the leftover gunk from the last shipment. When you're talking about a hold that's about 24 meters high, you gotta wonder just how much elbow grease goes into it. There was this one sailor, fresh to the job, trying to clean the hold for the first time. Poor guy had a water gun in hand, and next thing you know, the kickback from the water float sends him flying back about 3 meters. It ain't no joke, but hey, it ain't all bad. There's some decent pay involved for the hard work. Work your tail off for a couple of days and you're looking at a pretty nice paycheck. The pay depends on the size of the ship and what kind of cargo's on board, so the amount can vary each time. So, if someone offered you $1,000 a day, would you take on this kind of job?